So I'm Andrew King. I'm the CEO of PhareTech, and we're a company that got started out of a program through the PhareTech program. And we got connected to some awesome technology through that program. Our technology technically is called wavelength division multiplexing technology on a local area network. In other words, we are able to combine multiple data streams down into one, whereby reducing the number of fibers on an overall system. We're combining data so that you're reducing the number of fibers on the system. That's a reduction of cost. That's a reduction in labor and installation and maintenance costs. That's a reduction in energy costs, and you're enhancing the throughput on the fiber that's already existing in your building, in your campus, whatever the application may be. The whole idea of slow bandwidth speeds and slow internet speeds is something that can be applied to so many different industries. And at the start of the PhareTech program, we really struggled to figure out where we could apply this this technology because it felt like it could be applied in so many different places. We were talking to shipbuilders and wastewater treatment plants, and as well as colleges and universities. And so after talking to 75 different potential customers and stakeholders, we really narrowed down our focus into campus-like building campus situations. Places like institutions of higher education, government campus facilities, military bases, places that have multiple buildings that need to be connected. That was where where, as the saying goes, there were people with their hair on fire, and people were really expressing a deep need for their internet bandwidth speeds to be fixed, and that's what our technology, I think, can do a really great job of doing. There's a couple ways that our technology adds value to our customers. One is it saves money. The typical way that companies or customers will upgrade their equipment is by spending hundreds of thousands of dollars to increase their fiber, to change over from copper to fiber, to change over equipment and servers. But what we can do is we can use their existing fiber network and enhance the bandwidth throughput on the system that's already installed in their buildings and on their campus. For me personally, PhareTech was an opportunity to get some hands-on experience with unique technology that was being developed in the federal space. I don't have a tech background myself, and so if I wanted to dive into a technology startup, my way of doing that was either through the PhareTech program or from some other connection that I had made. But PhareTech program was the way to do it during my MBA experience. Midway through our PhareTech program, we really noticed that there was a trend among institutions of higher education. So the latter half of our program, we really wanted to confirm that. So we talked to 10 to 15 different institutions of higher education, military bases, like I said, that were a potential customer. And repeatedly, we kept hearing, yes, this is a good idea. We really need this. Can we buy this now? And so by the end of the program, our team decided, hey, someone should do this. There is a market need for this sort of technology. And so our team, at the end of the program, just simply stated, this is a worthwhile business opportunity. One is the crab pot pitching competition down in Southern Maryland. This is to enhance the entrepreneurial ecosystem in Southern Maryland. So on Thursday, there's going to be 23 competitors pitching for 90 seconds of their business pitch, and 5 people out of that original pool will be moving on to the finals. The second pitching competition is through the American Association for the Advancement of Science. We actually made it to the final round with 5 other competitors, and this lab to launch is the first year that they're doing this pitching competition. The winner gets $5,000, and there's also prizes for second and third. And so we're really hoping that through these pitching competitions, one, that our name gets out there, that this technology is going to be entering the marketplace, but also two, that we're starting to raise capital and investment to move our technology forward. We need the money to develop a prototype. We need the money to develop a product line. There are specific goals that we have in mind with this prize money, and we're hoping these two pitching competitions can be the first to help us get us to our end goal of bringing this technology to market. The stage of our company is such that we need people to come around us and be those trusted advisors, the people who can invest in us, not just financially, but also knowledge base. We need fiber optic experts. We need customers who are in the IT space who can help us introduce us to folks who might be interested in purchasing this product and technology in the future.